as promised, back here in the studio with Christy Lee from KO Creative Design. And now let's tell everybody out here that's, maybe they're visiting on spring break or they have their second home here in town. What exactly is KO Creative Design?
So we are a local-based full-service web development group. I do everything from traditional websites, mobile apps.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about, let's say someone, for instance, maybe your local TV station, maybe TV8 Summit. We have a website right now. If you guys have gone to it, it's not exactly what we would say is awesome, right? We definitely have a lot to be improved. And actually, KL is currently updating our website. And some of the things that I've learned about just in this process of updating our website, which it's not live yet, should be live sometime soon here, is search engine optimization.
Mm-hmm.
And why, first of all, what is that and why is that important?
So SEO is the process of bringing more visibility to your website and more traffic to your website by getting it higher in search engine rankings.
Okay, so what exactly does that mean?
So when someone searches for a keyword, like local TV station Breckenridge, you want your website to come up first.
Right.
You want to be first for, some common popular keywords. So SEO is the art of bringing you to the top of that.
Okay, so that's something that I didn't really realize was actually, very important, and some of those things really are, and they can certainly help make your website work a little bit harder for you. Now, something that we've talked about too is me starting a little blog here for TV8 Summit, and so how do you feel like that might work into that?
So blogging can be excellent for SEO for a couple reasons. One, it gives you fresh content. You're constantly updating your website, and search engines look at this and see it as it being an active, viable website, and they will rank it higher for that. Secondly, it allows you to have specific keywords for each, blog post. So you can have, you can vary things. Instead of going for 2 or 3 main ones, you can have different blog posts for various different keywords.
Okay.
So again, it helps you with the content, but it's also helping you with the keywording.
Huh. See, you're probably learning something just like I have through this entire process. Now, let's say there's people that don't even have a website to start from or to kind of pick apart. You guys can start from scratch, obviously.
Absolutely, right. We do everything from branding straight on up to building the website to the search engine optimization after the website as well.
Now, something that I love about the fact that you guys are local is that, if you've been thinking about this for a while, or maybe you're just kind of intimidated to get started, you can actually sit down and make it really not intimidating for someone because you do some free consultations.
Right. I will sit down with you for 30 minutes or whatever it takes, and we can discuss your project and what might be the next steps for your project or what directions you should go in with it.
And so that's something you can do right here in town, and you don't have to, go down to the Front Range in order to accomplish that. And even if I have to brag about Christy Lee a little bit here, even if you want to maybe create your own app for the iPhone, like Christy Lee has, you can help people accomplish that too.
That's right, absolutely.
And we typically use Christy Lee's app. We like to go hike quite a bit together, and this app is perfect for people that are out exploring. Whether you're even just like shopping on Main Street in Breckenridge, you'd be surprised at the altitude in some places. But let's tell everybody what Explore More is. That's the name of our app.
So Explore More is an altimeter. It will tell you your current altitude, as well as has a photo sharing feature, so you can take a photo and the app will filter it and make it black and white and stamp the side of the photo with your altitude, so then you can share it up on Facebook or Twitter.
Right, or send it to all your friends back home and make them incredibly jealous. Or to your moms. Moms like that kind of thing too, right, Mom? Anyway, so if people want to get in touch with you about building the website from scratch, or maybe they just need some advice, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
So my phone number's on the screen there, and my website is kocreativedesign.com.
All right, you guys, get in touch with her. We are so excited to debut our website here, shortly. We'll let you guys know when it's up and live, but definitely great person to work with, I can tell you right now, just from our perspective, and can really help out in quite a number of ways. So thanks for coming in this morning. Thanks. Always a pleasure to have you here.
Always.
And we're going to take a break, and we'll be back for more Summit Sunrise, so don't go away.